Good news, everyone. Midjourney can now be used for absolutely free, and it's probably the first time you clicked on a free Midjourney video and it's not clickbait. And that's because Meta AI has partnered with Midjourney and they're allowing you to use Midjourney on their platform for absolutely free. And in this video, I'll show you how to get to it and how to start using Midjourney for free today. Now, just for context, Midjourney did not suddenly switch to a free model on their site. Their prices haven't changed on their site. Their subscription tiers are still the same on their official website. What has happened is that Meta licensed Midjourney's technology and quietly built it into Meta AI. That means that you can now use a Midjourney style engine for completely free. Whether it's the latest version of Midjourney or if they keep this for years to come, only time will tell. But what you can do is make some beautiful AI art using the Meta AI app on your phone or through your PC browser right now. Here's the catch for some of you. Since you're using Midjourney for free through Meta AI, it gets kind of complicated on if you can sell the pictures commercially. Now, it doesn't mention anything explicitly in the terms of service, at least nothing that I found. But omission doesn't mean you're okay. Omission means that it's open-ended and they can certainly come after you if they wanted to. The licensing with AI art is kind of weird to begin with anyways, but for the majority of users out there, this shouldn't affect you at all. Even though everyone thinks they're going to sell their AI art and get rich off it, using Midjourney on your Meta AI app is straightforward. You log into your app, then on the top right corner, you'll see a plus button, and then you just click that to start creating. That's all you got to do. Describe what you want, and then it creates something. You can also take an existing picture, something that you shared on Facebook or took a picture of recently in your library, and you can stylize it and do some fun things and edit it with AI. It's pretty cool. Here's an example of my daughter sitting on the suitcase and she was riding it around at the airport. And then I used the anime style and it's super kawaii. Now here's how to use the free Midjourney experience on your PC browser through Meta AI. Just head on over to Meta AI, meta.ai. Once you get there, you can log in with your Meta account. If you don't have one, you can either create one with your email or you can just use your Gmail to log in and it'll create an account for you. Most people already have like a Facebook or Quest 3 account. You could definitely use that to get into here. And the benefit of that is that you can share things on Facebook a lot easier if you use that account. It's pretty straightforward. New Chat is basically the LLM and then you can start talking to it. And you could even create a picture through here by starting your command with create. You can create videos or photos. It also does video, which is pretty crazy. And now you have create, and creates basically like your Midjourney. You can go in here and just type something at the bottom here, describe your image and start creating. So I'll create something real quick, and just like Midjourney, the format's the same and it creates 4 images at a time. Now you do have some options here. If you go into aesthetics and click that button right here, you could change the variety, the weirdness, stylization. You could change all of that. And look at this art. It is definitely Midjourney and it's beautiful artwork here for free. Now there's some other things you can do to it. You could change the aspect ratio 1:1 or 9:16, which is the portrait style. And then you also have your landscape 16:9. And then you could choose if you wanted an image or a video. So if you wanted to make a video, you just click on that. And you can take an existing image here and click on animate. And as you can see, in less than a minute, it animated the still picture, which is pretty fast. Now, I'm not sure if it's fast mode, turbo mode, or whatever Meta AI is paying for. But I know it's free modes. So you can make videos and images for free, which is pretty cool. Now, if you want to do some further editing on an image or a video, just go ahead and click on it. And then you'll get some more options over here. And then here you'll have this restyle, which is pretty cool. And you can also do this with real pictures, which I've done over here. So if I took this picture, I can add some music. I'll just add the first. And then I'll add one of these restyles here. Maybe let me click browse so I got more options. Let's try this cherry blossoms ones, which doesn't match with it at all. So I'm going to click a restyle and then in a couple minutes, or actually less than a minute or 1 minute, actually 1 minute, it should restyle it for me. And just like that, it added all the cherry blossoms and all the pink stuff into it. But my favorite use of this is to turn a real life image into animate. All right, so I made a few more images and pictures here just to test the limits. And it doesn't seem like I've found it yet. And I made a lot of pictures and videos. And so I have this little video here of some chessboard characters and then some Lord of the Rings style images and then just a lot for my thumbnail here. And with all these pictures in less than 5 minutes, I was in cap, which is way better than ChatGPT already, because ChatGPT would have capped me a long time ago, like somewhere down here. But so it's pretty generous at the moment. And let's see if they can keep it up and just keep it this free for this long, because this is pretty free. and it's pretty amazing. Midjourney for absolutely free, and you can even use it on your phone through the Meta AI app and share it with everyone on Facebook if you use your Facebook account. And you could restyle people, restyle some of your images. You can create images, videos, and do all sorts of things that you can do on Midjourney for absolutely free. Now, like I said, you might not be able to sell these images, but I don't know that for sure. I'm just making an assumption to be on the safe side because it wasn't mentioned particularly in the user term. But let's be honest, you're not starting that AI art business anytime soon. So go ahead and create some images and have fun with it. Share it with your friends. And that's all I had for now. This is going to be a short video, and I just really wanted to do a PSA that Midjourney can be used for free now on Meta AI. And if you want to see some free open source tools, go ahead and check out my Comfy UI video. And if you don't have a graphics card that can handle Comfy UI and some of the models that are used on there, go ahead and check out my RunPod video. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Bye.